Bonani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and press like. Hey, nina nifuna ukutshela yonke into njalo. Awufaka u-like, it's free. Ngeke idlele indoda yakho. Anyway, I'm back with another story. Zodwa wabantu kuphelile pelile u relationship. Abusekho budlelwane ithwani igoda lidabukile no Ben 10. So uZodwa usedampile umntwana lo uBen 10 wakhe wesithathu. uBen 10 ke uyanqaba ukuphuma endlini. Uthi uBen 10 angiyindawo. When you promised me a good life, when you said you're not going to leave me, when you said uzongithanda ngize ngishone, and then two, when awangishisa umfazi lapha endlini nengane awubhandisisho beautiful baby lona nayo lekunengane encane ehle kanjani khathi beqala ukujola noZodwa, and the kid is growing so nice and cute and chubby, you know, kuyi-color dish lo. Manje i-color lithi nje Zodwa ngindawo. So Zodwa kuthi hamba ke wayovula icala e-police station ke kwasayinwa into esayinwa ukuthi wena ungasondeli la, but uboy uthi nje Zodwa mina angiyindawo ufuna ukubonisa ngabantu. Then Zodwa went ahead, decided to delete all the photos that has to do with uboy. Lapho shem uboy uyithulele akafuni ngisho ukudelete ngisho anything because uyamthanda uZodwa namanje usamthanda. One thing I know about ama-colored, hayi baba i-colored alikushiyi, i-colored alihlukani nayo, i-colored ngisho ngenza ngalani, i-colored liyahlala, especially mangabe libona futhi ukuthi there's something. But then again futhi bayahlala nje laba ku-broke kungenwa imali nje bayathanda nje. So that's how things are right now. Zodwa left uboy, but maybe uZodwa usile ufuna ubuyela kulo Ben 10 wakhe lo mude wesibili, because they told Ben 10 lo owayesethe unefiance le lawyer ugirl uhambile wayojola nomlungu ikhehle lidala lo mlungu wahlukana no boy. So maybe Zodwa because I mean he loved that boy, so maybe lo emthengele nemoto. So now maybe Zodwa wants to go back to the other Ben 10, we don't know. Oh mhlawumbe uZodwa phela uthi uyathwasa into zakhe zedlozi mngenze ukuthi manje zimsuse bafanele. I have no idea, but the bottom line is the way things are is now today, giving you the story. Zodwa and Ben 10 are no longer in items. Ben 10 still wants Zodwa. Zodwa does not want Ben 10 anymore. Zodwa kicks out to Ben 10. Ben 10 says no. Zodwa goes to the police station and say no. Anyway, thank you so much for pulling through. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you press like, and please make sure ukuthi uyalike. Nkosi yami kumahala ku-free. There is nothing that you have to lose. I'm going to see you back right now with another story. Please enjoy your weekend and be safe. See you just now. Bye you.